Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade Forex on Thinkorswim. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform on your computer and signing in. Once the platform loads, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Find the Trade tab there. This is where you'll access tools for placing orders across products, including currencies. Click Trade to open that workspace. Inside the trade area, locate the Forex Trader section. Select Forex Trader to bring up a dedicated layout designed for currency pairs. You'll see quotes organized in a grid, typically with the bid price on one side and the ask price on the other, along with green and red order buttons next to each pair. If you're new, take a moment to get oriented. In Forex, each symbol represents a pair, like EUR-USD, where the first is the base currency and the second is the quote currency. Next, choose a sample currency pair you'd like to trade from the list. Click on it to highlight it and bring its bid and ask into focus. You'll notice the spread, which is the small difference between those two prices. Tighter spreads generally mean lower transaction costs, especially during active market hours. When you're ready to buy, use the green button next to your selected pair. Buying means you're going long the base currency, aiming for it to rise relative to the quote currency. Clicking the green button will open an order ticket or stage an order, depending on your layout. If your plan is to sell, look for the red button. Selling means you're going short the base currency, expecting it to fall relative to the quote currency. Click the red button to prepare that order. Before you place anything, review the order details carefully. Check the quantity or lot size, the order type, and the price if it's not a market order. Also look at the time in force and the estimated buying power or margin impact. This is a good moment to confirm everything matches your intention, especially in fast-moving Forex markets where prices can change quickly. Once everything looks right, finalize it by selecting Confirm and Send. That will submit the order to the market. After it fills, you can monitor the position from your Positions panel and the same Forex Trader screen. That's it. You open Thinkorswim, navigated to Trade, selected Forex Trader, chose a pair, used the green buy or red sell controls, and confirmed and sent your order. Take your time as you practice and always review the order ticket before sending to ensure it aligns with your trading plan.